Hello, so this is a follow-up video where I'm going to show you a few changes I have made to the camera, because as it currently is, I am personally not happy with the snapping. I would rather the camera just kind of stays where it is in the world, like this, looking at the wall instead of snapping this weirdly. So first things first, you in your character there on the left, untick capsule rotates control rotation. Compile, and now you see if we fly, nothing, the camera stays. But if we pitch upwards and I still keep going down with my mouse, it rotates us for whatever reason. And same on the other direction. And if we reset, the camera doesn't actually reset. So this is not good. I actually think it's better to just let the player go all 360 degrees. So for this we need a player camera manager. So we already have one through Ninja character. Ninja player camera manager. Make a blueprint of that and simply go in it, and on the right, view pitch min and max, change it to a negative 179.9 and 179.9. So now we can do this. If you're smart, you can probably think of a way to set these in code instead of hard coding them, but I prefer it. Now we can properly move, look around while flying too. But our roll is still weird. So to change that, I made a new input to reset my view. Not that it really matters. And I made an event. So the input is called the event. Reset view. I have a move camera boolean. It's just in the mouse input, would also go in gamepad, but I'm currently not using one. So what it does is it uses just a timeline of whatever length you want. Goes just from 0 to 1 because it's our alpha. And it lerps our rotation, our current rotation with the bad roll, to a newly created vector with our basically just the roll removed. Lerp, just lerp both of them, go shortest path, and if you also disable the camera, don't forget to turn it back on. And this will be our new control rotation. So with this, plug this event first of all at the very end of cancel fly, because it's pretty useful. And also on character gravity direction changed, it's part of Ninja character. If we are not falling, also reset the camera. So now if we land, our camera will reset. And now we are nicely aligned with what we're standing on. One thing you will notice is when you currently just look normally and you say rotate this way and then rotate 180 and also try rotate that way, you will go the opposite direction. And to fix that, pretty simple, I made a small function that compares the camera's up vector with our actor's up vector, and if it's negative, this means we are like this, upside down, and then we have to invert. And the invert, your invert, I put in between where we feed the controller our yaw. So now we can simply run around like normal here and actually spin around nicely, look around, It's not perfect, but it's definitely usable. Much more usable than what it was at the very beginning.